Mop the floor. She mops the floor.
After dinner, she mops the dining room floor to remove any spills.
Vacuum the carpet. He vacuums the carpet.
He vacuums the living room carpet every Sunday to remove dust and crumbs.
Dust the shelves. They dust the shelves.
They dust the shelves weekly to keep their book collection pristine.
Do the laundry. We do the laundry.
We do the laundry every weekend to ensure we have clean clothes for the week ahead.
Iron the clothes. I iron the clothes.
Before important meetings, I iron my shirts to look professional.
Wash the dishes. She washes the dishes.
After each meal, she washes the dishes to maintain a tidy kitchen.
Take out the trash. He takes out the trash.
Every night, he takes out the trash to prevent unpleasant odors in the house.
Make the bed. They make the bed.
Each morning, they make the bed to start the day organized.
Water the plants. We water the plants.
During summer, we water the plants daily to keep them healthy and green.
Cook dinner. I cook dinner.
On weekends, I cook dinner for my family, trying out new recipes.
Set the table. She sets the table.
Before guests arrive, she sets the table with plates, glasses, and cutlery.
Clear the table. He clears the table.
After meals, he clears the table and wipes it clean for the next use.
Mow the lawn. They mow the lawn.
Every Saturday, they mow the lawn to keep the yard looking neat.
Wash the windows. We wash the windows.
In spring, we wash the windows to let in more sunlight and enjoy clear views.
Fold the laundry. I fold the laundry.
After drying the clothes, I fold the laundry neatly and put it away.
Hang up the clothes. She hangs up the clothes.
She hangs up the clothes on a drying rack to let them air dry.
Change the sheets. We change the sheets.
Every week, we change the sheets to keep the bed fresh and clean.
Clean the bathroom. He cleans the bathroom.
Every Saturday, he cleans the bathroom, scrubbing the sink, toilet, and shower.
Scrub the sink. They scrub the sink.
After washing dishes, they scrub the sink to remove any leftover food and stains.
Organize the closet. I organize the closet.
I organize the closet by sorting clothes by color and type to make finding them easier.
Take care of pets. She takes care of her pets.
Every morning, she takes care of her pets by feeding them and cleaning their space.
Wipe the table. He wipes the table.
After dinner, he wipes the table with a cloth to remove any crumbs and spills.
Empty the dishwasher. We empty the dishwasher.
We empty the dishwasher carefully and place the clean dishes in the cabinets.
Clean the fridge. They clean the fridge.
Every month they clean the fridge by throwing out expired food and wiping the shelves.
Recycle the trash. I recycle the trash.
I separate plastic, paper, and glass to recycle the trash properly.
Wash the car. He washes the car.
On weekends, he washes the car to keep it looking shiny and clean.
Sweep the porch. She sweeps the porch.
Every morning, she sweeps the porch to remove leaves and dirt.
Take out the recycling. We take out the recycling.
Every Tuesday, we take out the recycling to keep the house organized.
Polish the furniture. He polishes the furniture.
Every few weeks, he polishes the wooden furniture to keep it shiny.
Rake the leaves. They rake the leaves.
In autumn, they rake the leaves into a pile and collect them in bags.
Wash the curtains. We wash the curtains.
Every few months, we wash the curtains to remove dust and keep the house fresh.
Clean the microwave. I clean the microwave.
After heating food, I clean the microwave to remove any spills and odors.
Defrost the freezer. He defrosts the freezer.
Once a year, he defrosts the freezer by turning it off and removing built-up ice.
Shake out the rug. I shake out the rug.
To remove dust, I take the rug outside and shake it out every week.
Sort the laundry. She sorts the laundry.
Before washing, she sorts the laundry into dark, light, and delicate fabrics.
Put away the dishes. He puts away the dishes.
After drying, he puts away the dishes neatly in the kitchen cabinets.
Unload the groceries. We unload the groceries.
After shopping, we unload the groceries and store them in the fridge and pantry.
Wipe down the counters. They wipe down the counters.
After cooking, they wipe down the kitchen counters to keep them clean.
Clean the stovetop. I clean the stovetop.
After cooking a big meal, I clean the stovetop to remove grease and spills.
Tidy up the living room. She tidies up the living room.
Before guests arrive, she tidies up the living room by arranging cushions and books.
Replace the light bulbs. He replaces the light bulbs.
When the lights go out, he replaces the bulbs with new energy-efficient ones.
Refill the soap dispenser. We refill the soap dispenser.
Every week, we refill the soap dispenser to ensure there's always soap available.
Take the dog for a walk. She takes the dog for a walk.
Every evening, she takes the dog for a walk around the park to get exercise.
Feed the pets. He feeds the pets.
Every morning and evening, he feeds the pets and makes sure they have fresh water.
Stack the chairs. They stack the chairs.
After a gathering, they stack the chairs neatly in the corner to save space.
Clean the remote controls. I clean the remote controls.
Every few weeks, I clean the remote controls to remove dirt and bacteria.
Dust the ceiling fans. She dusts the ceiling fans.
She dusts the ceiling fans with an extendable duster to prevent dust buildup.
Reorganize the pantry. He reorganizes the pantry.
Once a month, he reorganizes the pantry to make finding food easier.
Scrub the bathtub. We scrub the bathtub.
After a long week, we scrub the bathtub to remove soap, scum, and stains.
Shake out the doormat. They shake out the doormat.
To keep the entryway clean, they shake out the doormat and remove dirt.
Water the lawn. He waters the lawn.
During dry weather, he waters the lawn every evening to keep the grass green.
Check the mail. I check the mail.
Every afternoon, I check the mail and sort through the letters and packages.
Wipe down the mirrors. She wipes down the mirrors.
After a shower, she wipes down the mirrors to prevent water spots and streaks.
Fluff the pillows. They fluff the pillows.
Before bedtime, they fluff the pillows to make them softer and more comfortable.
We set up the dining table. We set up the dining table.
Before dinner, we set up the dining table with plates, napkins, and glasses.
Take down the holiday decorations. He takes down the holiday decorations.
After the holidays, he takes down the decorations and packs them away.
Sweep the floor. I sweep the floor.
Every evening, I sweep the kitchen